6 danger signs during pregnancy. So if you start noticing these signs, it shows that something is wrong and you need medical attention immediately. If this is your first time of meeting me, my name is Chinelo Ezimoha. I'm a nurse midwife and I'm here to make sure that you have a healthy pregnancy and healthy childbirth. Click the notification bell so whenever I post, you'll be the first to see it. So let's dive into it. So what are the 6 signs of an unhealthy pregnancy? Number 1 is vaginal bleeding. It could be in the early pregnancy or in late pregnancy. In early pregnancy, it could be an indication for miscarriage. It could be a sign of infection. It could be a sign of molar pregnancy, and a lot of things can cause it. In late pregnancy, it could be placenta previa or placenta abruption. So whenever you start having bleeding during pregnancy, please, as much as possible, visit the hospital as soon as possible. 2 is leakage of water, especially when it is not the 3rd trimester or when labor is not close. You start having water leak, you start seeing water leaking from your vagina. That could be the amniotic fluid, it could be a sign of amnionitis or something impending or some underlying cause. And once that water starts leaking and reduce it will lead to oligohydramnios, whereby the water that cushions the baby will be reduced, and which can cause fetal distress. So make sure whenever you see this kind of sign, make sure you go to the hospital as soon as possible. The next one is abnormal vaginal discharge. You start having purulent, smelly discharges, and you start having severe itching around your vagina. It could be a sign of urinary tract infection. So whenever you start having these signs, please go to the hospital and report immediately. The next one is severe headache. I know that some women have headache, experience a lot of headache during pregnancy, but severe headache could be a sign that your blood pressure is high, which could lead to preeclampsia. So whenever you start having severe headache and blood vision, please go to the hospital as soon as possible. The next one is severe abdominal pain. We know that mild cramps do occur during pregnancy, especially during early pregnancy. But when you start having severe abdominal pain, whether in early pregnancy or in late pregnancy, it is not good. Report immediately. In late pregnancy, it could be a sign of premature labor. It could be that you are contracting, so you need to report. In early pregnancy, it could also mean that something is wrong. It could be that you want to miscarry the baby, so report it as soon as possible. Then the last one on my list is when you start feeling that the baby's movement is no longer regular. Maybe the baby's movement begins to decrease, or baby movement begins to increase excessively. Also report. For you to know how your baby is kicking, you count 10 kicks in 1 hour. You can get more than 10, but when you continue to get below 10 consistently, it shows that something is wrong and you need to report immediately. So when you experience any of these signs I've mentioned above, please go to the hospital and report. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be sharing more videos like this.